Today, we present here to express our points on the topic of debate. The audience, the debate is explain the mind of anyone. And today, we have the debate on the topic of madaris versus schools. And there is available, we have two groups. The first one is in a favor of madaris, and the second is in a favor of schools. The audience, the madaris is the place where from can anyone get the knowledge in terms of both the knowledge of the madaris, the knowledge of the word, and the knowledge of Islam. It builds the spiritual and moral ideas of everyone in the world. And also, many of madaris have started to teach Arabic and English languages, which are very important in the present situation of the world. And also, it tells us how